Hey guys, I'm Jasmine, Family IT, where I bring you new tech that will help in everyday life. Teach you how to use the tech you already have so you don't have to wait for the kids to come by to show you how to use this thing. And as always, we'll always have links below so you can view the product that we're showing here and go straight to it, no searching. Let's get going. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Google Home Mini. We're going to dive into what is a smart speaker, why is it helpful, and how you can just set it up in 3 steps. Let's get going.
So what makes a smart speaker smart isn't just the fact that you can listen to things on it, like music and stuff, but the fact that you can ask it a question and it will answer you, or you can tell it to do something with the things that you have connected to it, say like wireless lights, things like that. So what makes it smart is that you can tell it what to do and it will do it, and you can ask it anything and it will give you an answer.
So as a special treat, I invited my mom. And I wanted her to have the experience of doing this for the first time, just like you will. So as she goes, you go ahead and go. So you could see that it's not just some techie millennial zipping through this thing, but you can do this, okay? Hi, Mom.
Hey, Jasmine.
Are you excited to get the Google Home Mini going?
Yes. I'm excited.
All right, here we go. All right, guys, when you open that box, you will have instructions from Google. And the very first instructions look like this. And it's one piece of paper that tells you to do 2 things. Plug it in and get the app. And that's what we're doing. All right, Mom. The next step is to plug it in, okay? So we have 2 separate parts right here. First one goes in here. See that there? Corresponding with this. Boom.
Okay.
Do it.
You want me to do it?
You got this. Yep. That's all right. Perfect.
Yay.
Perfect. Good job, Mom.
Okay.
All right, so we've plugged this in, and you're going to see the lights come up here, and it's going to be ready to set up. You see that?
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right, Mom. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store and download the Google Home app. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to search and type in Google Home. Once you start typing it in, it will actually appear right on top. So tap on that. As usual, you'll always see an advertisement at the top. It has nothing to do, it says like Wall Street right now. Mm-hmm. But if you see the first true one says Google Home and Get. If you've never downloaded this before, that's what you're going to see. So go ahead and tap on Get.
Okay.
Step 3 is we're going to follow the instructions that are in the application itself. All right, guys, we are at the receiving end, and we're going to hear how it sounds.
Hey, Jasmine, let's go.
So that's the bonus, guys. That's how the broadcasting works. It's an intercom system. Imagine all the yelling this is going to save you from across the room. If you live with more than one person or have a multi-level home, this is golden. Having 2 or more is great. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment below if this is something that would actually be helpful to you. Hey guys, this is a bonus to the bonus, super quick. If you actually like to be really organized and hook it up with what we just talked about, this guy, the outlet mount for Google Home Mini. You will not have to deal with messy cords at all. It will stick to exactly where the outlet is. I'll show you a pic. Hey guys, if you like this video, tap the like button and subscribe so more will come your way. And if you have any tech in your house right now that you wish you had some help with, comment below and see what we can do about that. Have a good one, guys.